Daniel, Tom, and Anna work at Energy Corporation. They all deal with the heart of the company, the data center. In doing so, they focus on different aspects. Daniel is the CIO. His job is to set up the IT efficiently and to further develop the business processes. Tom is an IT specialist. His job is to ensure that the IT landscape runs smoothly. Anna is the CFO of the Energy Corporation. She is responsible for finances and pays attention to cost and risk minimization. Energy Corporation's data center consists of hardware components from various manufacturers. The heterogeneous IT landscape poses challenges for Daniel, Tom, and Anna. The original equipment manufacturer's OEM maintenance support is expensive. In addition, there are different service level agreements and contract periods. In the event of a malfunction, they first have to check which contract applies. This takes time that Energy Corporation does not have, because during the disruption or outage, the employees cannot work at all, or only to a limited extent. Internal processes are disrupted, services cannot be provided, and customers are dissatisfied. Anna fears financial damage and that the image of Energy Corporation will suffer. Another aspect, manufacturer support for most devices ends after a few years. Purchasing new hardware is cost-intensive, expenditures that Anna would like to avoid, especially since the devices work perfectly well and important applications run on them. Daniel, Anna, and Tom agree that the situation should be optimized. Daniel does some research and comes across the concept of third-party maintenance. During his research, he becomes aware of Technogroup. As a member of Evernex, it is the European market leader for third-party maintenance in data centers. With many years of experience, Technogroup offers hardware maintenance from a single source for almost all manufacturer brands and technologies. In case of a malfunction, Energy Corporation has a competent partner in Technogroup who can quickly rectify the fault, regardless of the device it occurs on. In the event of a failure, Tom calls the Technogroup service number, which is available 24/7, 365 days a year. After 15 minutes at the latest, he receives a callback from an experienced IT expert who takes care of his issue. Within 4 hours, a Technogroup technician arrives on site. He knows Energy Corporation's IT systems and infrastructure, has the appropriate spare part, or procures it, and can quickly rectify the source of the disruption. The problem is fixed and operation is restored. Tom's colleagues can serve customers again. According to calculations by independent experts, third-party maintenance is 50 to 70% more economical than manufacturer support. Technogroup also maintains systems after the manufacturer's warranty has expired and after the end of the specified service period. In this way, proven IT components can be used for longer. This saves costs and is sustainable. Anna, Daniel, and Tom are thrilled. Anna is satisfied because Energy Corporation reduces costs. Daniel is relieved that he has a reliable partner with the highest level of technical know-how in Technogroup. This allows him to use his IT specialists for strategic projects. Tom is satisfied because the IT runs smoothly thanks to the quick repair. Technogroup, together with Evernex, offers its service not only locally and regionally, but globally in over 160 countries. As the European market leader for third-party maintenance, it also has the largest multi-vendor spare parts stock in Europe. In addition to multi-vendor third-party maintenance, Technogroup offers other value-added IT services. A manufacturer-independent monitoring tool detects faults in the IT landscape before they have a negative impact and automatically sets the maintenance process in motion. Refurbished hardware with guaranteed quality can reduce hardware costs. Whether expansions, relocations, or recycling, Technogroup provides support for various data center projects. A flexible service concept, and a long-term partner you can rely on. Technogroup. Keep IT running.